Oh my god. So dope. It looks amazing. I like how you put the bouncy balls in there too. That's sick.
I found a 3-head coin-operated candy machine. They were asking $50 for the machine, and I offered them $20. Head out there and take a look at it.
A little electric there in the front, but I don't know how hard or how easy it is to replace or not.
It's okay. I mean, I don't even know if I'm going to refurbish it or if I'm going to use it for a different project. I'm going to hack the candy machine and turn it into something else. Nothing but the best ingredients for the aquarium candy machine. Bottled water. Back to Goodwill. Found a real nice piece of acrylic. Not sure if it'll work for both my pieces on the bottom of the aquarium or not. It's a lot thicker than necessary for this job, but I'm going to go ahead and try it out. And it looks like there's just enough material to cut 2 pieces for the false bottom on the candy machine aquarium. Candy machine bins all polished up. Oh no, testing for leaks in the candy machine aquarium project. Multiple leaks. After multiple leaks found in the candy bins, it's time to drain the water out of the candy machine aquarium project, and we're gonna have to reseal this thing up. Don't choke on that thing.